Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer version 2.6.1. A few months ago, Google made some changes in their code to prevent software like Stealth Keyword Competition Analyzer from gathering too much data from the same IP. And that's why, in version 2.6.1 of SKCA, I added the ability to gather Google proxies. But what are Google proxies? Proxies that support searching in Google without getting a captcha are called Google proxies. These proxies are rare and hard to find, but the good thing is that you don't need a lot of them to analyze a lot of keywords. With just 10 Google proxies, you are able to analyze 100 plus keywords in SKCA. Here's how that new feature works. So let's say we have our keyword list loaded, and now we need to get some proxies to analyze the list. So you would go down here to where it says proxies, and then add, and then if you have your own list, you can just copy paste it here, or if you want SKCA to gather proxies for you, you can choose script 10, script 15, script 20. Let's say in this case I have 100 keyword lists, so I'm going to scrape only 10. I select that, and then this dialog box will pop up. Here the software started to gather proxies, and you can choose at what speed you want it to do that. This depends on your internet connection. You can do it slow, medium, or fast. I always leave it at medium. As you can see, it already gathered one Google OK proxy. This process can take up to 5 minutes because, as I said before, these proxies are hard to find. So let me pause the video and I'll resume it once the software has found the proxies. Okay, so it's done. It took about 5 minutes. And now as you can see, we have 10 Google OK proxies. So this is the proxy IP, this is the port. This is telling us that it passed our Google test and the level of the proxies. Level 1 and level 2 proxies are the best to use. Okay, so now you just hit OK and the proxies are loaded up and hit close. Now when you hit start, you will be asked if you want to use the proxies you have loaded. You say yes, and then here the software asks you if you want to use your own IP. In my opinion, it is best to say no, and the software will start the analyzing process. So it's really simple, but it really helps us now analyze more keywords and faster, preventing Google blocks. Thank you for your time.